In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Submit button in Google Forms for the year 2025. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure you make the most out of your Google Forms experience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access your Google Forms account. If you've already created a Google form, that's fantastic. Simply navigate to it within your Drive. If not, you can easily create a new form from scratch. Once you're on your Google form, the first thing you want to do is give your form a title. For today's example, let's call it Sample Test. This name will help you and your respondents recognize the purpose of your form. Be sure to choose a title that best describes the content and objective of your form. Now it's time to dive into creating questions. Google Forms offers a variety of question types, including multiple choice, checkbox, and short answer, among others. Depending on your needs, you can select from these options to craft questions that accurately gauge the information or feedback you seek from your respondents. Consider adding clear and concise questions to ensure your respondents understand exactly what you're asking. After you've finished creating your questions, the next step involves preparing to share your form. Our example has already been published, so let's proceed by copying the form link. To do this, click on the link icon at the top right-hand corner of your screen. A dialog box will appear allowing you to copy the responder's link. This link is what you'll share with people to invite them to fill out your form. Be sure to test the link in your web browser to confirm that it's functional and leads to the correct form. Clicking on Copy will put the link on your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you choose, whether it be in an email, on social media, or embedded in a website. Make sure your form settings are correctly configured to either capture responses anonymously or with required details, depending on your needs. Now, here's the bit about the Submit button, which is a common query. Fortunately, in Google Forms, a Submit button is automatically included. This button appears at the bottom of the form, both in preview mode and when shared with respondents. There's no need to manually add or create a Submit button as it comes standard with the Google Forms setup. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated the essential parts of setting up your Google form with a built-in Submit button feature. Feel free to revisit any part of this guide if you need clarification. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your Google Form projects.